Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another mukbang video. For everybody who is new to my channel, my name is Claudia. I hope you stay here. So go ahead, click that subscribe button. If you guys want to get notifications, go ahead and turn on the notifications button. So today, as you can see, I have some very delicious tasting and smelling Chick-fil-A. I got 2 large waffle fries. I got the chicken nuggets. I've never had them before. This is actually my 3rd time having Chick-fil-A. It's super good though. Okay, so, and then here I have a grilled club sandwich, the deluxe with, would it, or no, this wouldn't be called the deluxe. Grilled club with Colby Jack cheese. And this is what it looks like. If you guys have never tried Chick-fil-A, you guys have to. I know it looks really basic, but it's really good. And then right here I have the spicy deluxe with pepper jack as well. That one's grilled and this one's just like crispy. But that's what it looks like. And then right here I have Chick-fil-A sauce, honey mustard, the sweet sriracha sauce, barbecue, and zesty buffalo. So let me get these open real quick. Oh, and then I forgot to mention, to drink I have a diet lemonade. Pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the grilled club sandwich. Dipped a waffle fry inside the Chick-fil-A sauce. Dipping it inside the zesty buffalo. I've never tried their nuggets before. I'm gonna try their barbecue. This is their honey mustard. It's good. I've never tried their spicy chicken. It's pretty spicy, but I prefer this one. The grilled chicken club is actually way better. I like it, but this one's so good. It's spicy though. If you guys hear like my air turn on in the background, I'm sorry. It's so cold out here, and your girl's trying to save energy, so I have it like on automatic, so it like turns on and off, so it won't be on all the time. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys know my situation with the electricity bill. They came to fix it though, thank God. Guys, I'm enjoying this food so much. It's so good. So today's Saturday right now for me. You guys are probably seeing this on Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post it. One of those 2 days, but so the reason I'm like when I'm enjoying my food like this, it's because I deserved it. And what I mean by I deserved it is that Monday through Friday, I've been super killing it, guys, on my nutrition and on at the gym. So I'm so sore, and I've been craving this meal all week. All week, but I'm so proud of myself. This is very well deserved, and yep, gonna keep going. Guys, this is so good. So yeah, I've been crushing my goals Monday through Friday, and decided, because I love doing mukbang and you guys are enjoying mukbang, so I want to keep putting out content that you guys like, and I really like doing this. But in order for me to do this, I have to like take care of my health as well, you know, obviously. I can't eat like this every day, even if I wanted to, even if like, you know, I can't eat like this every day. But sticking to my diet Monday through Friday and enjoying myself one cheat meal on Saturday and Sunday, and then crushing it again through my nutrition and gym throughout the week is definitely going to work out. Balance is always good, guys. I'm not going to talk about diets, what diet I'm on or what I'm doing, blah blah blah. No more. It's not going to happen on my channel anymore. So yeah, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys have seen like I've been crushing it at the gym. I do plan on filming like my workout routines at the gym. It's just a matter of like, it's been like really packed at the gym lately. You guys know how it is the first month of January. It's super packed. Like, I'm telling you, the parking lot is full. Like, it looks like Bad Bunny came to the gym and he's performing and everybody showed up. So it's been really, really packed, and walking around with the camera, no, because you know, I don't like attention like that. I'm like through here, you guys, like I love it that you guys watch me and you guys enjoy it, but like in real life, I'm not that person to like want to be walking around with the camera and then people are gonna be like, oh, who is, you know? But just know that I have videos coming for you guys, because I know you guys request those so much. Like my full squat day at the gym or my deadlift day, because like I don't work out my entire body every day at the gym. Like each day is a day for a certain body part. So I will be filming, you know, we'll be putting videos out there for you guys soon, as well as home workouts, because I know that not all of us go to the gym. I used to be like that when I first started my weight loss journey years ago. So yeah, and I do like to work out at home, you know, not like regularly, but I will occasionally work out at home as well. And I apologize for being kind of silent on my channel these past couple weeks, but trust me, I've been really taking time to like focus on myself 100%. Just like keep it consistent with my nutrition. I'm, you know, eating healthy, and killing it at the gym Monday through Friday. So really getting into that habit and being consistent with it, and then, you know, start showing you guys what I'm doing. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys, you know, I always post up like videos on my story or even on my posts, like workouts and stuff that I do at the gym. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you guys still haven't. I wanted to do a Jollibee mukbang today, but with the snow, and there's like only 2 Jollibees out here in the city, but they're like more, there's one in the city and it's still kind of far away from me, and there's one, where is it, in Skokie, but like with the snow, I don't like driving in the snow. I don't. It's dangerous. It's scary. I get anxiety. My job is an hour away, and it's anxiety the entire way. The entire way there and the entire way back is just insane anxiety. I haven't tried the sriracha, so let's try it out. Whoa. Wow, that's really good. It's spicy, it has a kick to it, but it's really, really good. So yeah. That's what's been going on in my life right now, guys. Let's dip this one into one of these sauces. Oh, that's super good. After this meal, I'm not gonna eat until tomorrow night. Oh, you best believe it. Ooh, we got a really nice big one. Try the sriracha. It's really good. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish the sandwich, guys. I'm already so full. Let's dip into the honey mustard. I'm sorry if you guys hear my neighbor. She's always screaming. I don't want her to hear me, you know? I feel like these walls are like freaking thin. Don't like it. But she is a little loud, so. Sorry if you guys hear that in the background. But sometimes I can't tell if she's yelling or that's just the way she talks. I mean, I've talked to her before, you know, I've like, hello, how are you? But she talks regular. But then when she's inside her house, she's like super loud. So I don't know if maybe she just has a loud voice. As soon as the snow like clears up, guys, I'm gonna do a Jollibee mukbang. If you guys have never had Jollibee, you guys need it in your life. It's so good. Best chicken ever. Jollibee has the best chicken ever. I'm not a KFC fan, so I don't really like KFC like that, especially their chicken. Popeyes, occasionally only. But Jollibee, so happy there isn't one like super close by because I'd probably be there all the time. But Jollibee, I'm sorry. Jollibee is so delicious, and it sucks that I have to deal with this weather, but as soon as the weather clears up, trust me, I'm gonna throw a Jollibee mukbang your way. But guys, I am ridiculously full. I'm sorry. I'm ridiculously full, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this mukbang, and You have no idea how much I enjoy this. I've waited all week. I worked so hard all week just to have a meal like this. So yeah guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys still have not subscribed to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave me a little comment down below. Let's have a little chat. Let me heart you up, give you a little thumbs up as well. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.